So Vivox has a new dashboard. It used to be called Unity Gaming Services, and it was the Unity Gaming Dashboard. Now it's called Unity Cloud. So this is the new dashboard. I have it in dark mode. You can choose whatever. If you want light mode or dark mode, it's up to you. I like dark mode though. Yeah, so it's different, definitely different. I miss kind of everything being right here automatically. So this right here is basically my newest project that I've made in Unity. And so it's the first thing that pops up. If you go up here, you can switch your project if you have other projects. I had a few other ones, but I archived them because they were from older Unity versions. If you go to projects, this is where you would select them. As you can see, I have them archived, and I guess you can't delete them, you can only archive them, so don't make a bunch of them unless you want to be scrolling through hella projects for no reason. Easy code for Vivox, that was my open source project before Vivox locked down their API. So since then, basically, I stopped caring about Vivox, but recently I got a comment on a YouTube video and asking basically about an error, so I figured I should maybe try and get back into Vivox. Yeah, just even Unity in general. I've had different focuses the last like 6 to 8 months, maybe a year. Anyways, here's your projects. Boom. I'm going to select this one. This is my project. So once you select your project, this is where it's easiest to kind of select what you want to add to your project. So Vivox, come down here. I don't click launch, I just click this over here. Pretty sure it's the same thing. Opens up Vivox, and then it actually adds it to the shortcut area over here, which is cool. I guess you can remove it also. Let's add it back. Oh, that's cool. Alright, so that's how you do that. Added it back. Overview is basically any data you might have as far as users currently using Vivox in your game. What we want is packages and SDKs. This is the harder way to do it. Normally you would want to just go into Unity and add all of these through Unity Package Manager, and then credentials. Of course, you need this to make everything work. What I do like is the documentation. So the newest version 16, which kind of screwed everyone and made them basically have less access to the Vivox and have to update their whole freaking project, or else you couldn't run Vivox anymore. So this, at least it's in Unity now, the Unity docs. It's Unity's native documentation. That's cool. I like that. But I guess you can view other documentation if you need to. Usage. Okay, haven't seen this yet. Oh, this is better. A better version of the, I guess, what was it showing before of this overview? Better version of the overview. If you go to usage, but there's a whole bunch of stuff in here. It's been a while since I even messed with Unity, so all of this is new to me, and definitely so much different than my older videos. Probably none of the stuff in the old videos probably works anymore. Yeah, so this is the new Vivox. So text and voice chat have their own little things, but it's basically the same thing. You're using the same APIs. You're going to import everything into your project whether you like it or not, so I guess it maybe has different information. They have pricing differences maybe? Not really. Okay, so yeah, that's the new Unity Cloud dashboard, formerly Unity Gaming Services dashboard, which was the UGS dashboard. Now it's Unity Cloud, which makes more sense. Follow and subscribe for more. I will hopefully be making more tutorials soon.